Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on the Surds. So you're told to without the use of a calculator to find the height of a cylinder given the radius of and the volume of a cylinder, right? So let's see how we can solve this properly. So what we're going to do is if you can't visualize this, I will suggest we just sketch a cylinder out. So this part here, once I get a cylinder here, I've got r as root 2 minus 1. Alright, and the volume is given by 12 plus 4 root 2 times pi, and you're told to find the height. So by looking at the volume of this cylinder, we know that the volume of cylinder is base area times height, right? So which is a pi r square h. So it happens that this is r, so in other words this is pi r square, so it's root 2 minus 1 square times height is equals to 12 plus 4 root 2 times pi. Alright, so this is what you do. Then what you can do is actually you just cancel both sides as such, and basically your height, so it's root 2 minus 1 square height equals to 12 plus 4 root 2, and this will be height equals to 12 plus 4 root 2 divided by root 2 minus 1 square. Okay, then you just proceed to just expand this over here will be root 2 square minus 2 root 2 plus 1. This I'm just going to factorize the 4 out for the top, so it's 3 plus root 2, right? So it's easier if you could factorize. So this bottom would be actually 2 plus 1, so it's 3 minus 2 root 2 as such. Alright. Now once we're done with this, what you're gonna do is multiply the top and bottom with the conjugate surd, which is this part here. 3 plus 2 root 2. This is 3 plus 2 root 2. Alright. And this case here, what we're gonna get is actually just 4. This is 9 plus 9 plus 6 root 2 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 times root 2. Over here will be 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. Okay, so this will be 4. 9 plus 9 root 2 plus 4. So this is 9 minus 2 square, which is 4 times 2. And this will be 4. This will be 13 plus 9 root 2 over 9 minus, which is 1. So this is actually 4. My goodness, what is the 2? Is it 3 or 2? Okay, great. So this part is 1, and what we get is actually just 1. 4 times 13, which is 52, plus 36 root 2, right? So this is how you work it out, but the thing is you need to find a and b as an integer, so this is divided by 1. What we need to do is actually just always check your calculator. If you're unsure why is there a 1 there, you could just key in calculator for this value here, and hopefully this value is the same. So what I'm going to do is actually just going to key in this part here, which is actually 12 plus 4 root 2, and then root 2 minus 1 square. Okay, and you press enter, you'll be 102.911. So we just see 52 plus 36 root 2 will be the same. So your answer is correct, right? So it's the same. Great. So this part here, we know that oh yeah, that's all. So actually you could just write it as 52 plus 36 root 2. I'm not sure why is there a C below, but yeah, this is how we do this part here proficiently. Any question or comments, please do let us know. I'll see you in the next video.